Thanks for checking out another video. So today is going to be my 5 favorite Fenty products. I don't really do regular makeup like the foundation and stuff like that, but I do like to put on lipstick. So I went out and I got a couple of Fenty lipsticks and the gloss that I really like, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get started. The first Fenty product that I bought was the chapstick. It's the Fenty Glow chapstick, and I really like it because not only does it hydrate, but it has a really pretty pink finish. The next Fenty product that I want to share with you guys is one of my favorites. This one is the Griselda, and it's more of a maroon color. And I definitely have to say this is one of my favorite lipsticks that I have. I really like it because it is a gorgeous color. Purple is my favorite color, so anything close to purple, I'm all for it. As well as it's a really dark, deep color. So it's perfect for the fall. Right, the next color that I want to show you is the PMS. And this is a deeper brown. This is another one of my favorites, and I like it mainly because, just like the other one, it's a really deep, dark color, and it always reminds me of the fall time. I also like it because it almost blends in with the complexion of my skin. Almost. But definitely one of my favorites as well. What else do we have? Let's go to the red. Alright, for the red colors that I picked up, I also have the Madame. This one, when I first saw it, I wasn't really sure if I liked it or not, simply because it is a red, and I'm really picky about wearing red, but I do like it. I like it a lot. This one, I like the fact that it is a bold red, but it's not too bold to where it looks crazy, but I definitely like it. And last but not least, another red. Now this red I wasn't too sure about because it comes out like paint to me. And last but not least, we have this red. Now the thing with this red is it comes off kind of like red orange, but definitely like it. It comes out just like I said, just like paint, and when it dries, like it makes my lips extra dehydrated. So when I wear this one, I like to pair it with the chapstick. So with the chapstick, it also makes it pop. Looks really bad on camera, but it's really pretty in real life. I look like a duck. So that's it for this video. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and share my video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.